Unveiling the skin's miraculous repair mechanism, wound healing. Imagine the last time you had a wound. Your skin was torn, right? Eventually, it healed. But how did it happen? It all starts with clotting. Blood cells called platelets rush to the wound, forming a protective scab. Then, white blood cells come to the scene, fighting off any lurking bacteria and starting the cleanup process. Next, cells known as fibroblasts weave a network of collagen, beginning the repair. It's like your body's construction crew. As the wound heals, new blood vessels form, restoring oxygen and nutrients to the area. It's a rejuvenating moment. Eventually, the scab falls off, revealing new skin underneath. It can look a bit different, but it's still yours.